Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about changing fractions to decimals and vice versa. This maths is intended for grade 4 students. The question is find the value of x. So number 1, 0.5 is equal to 3 over x, and the number 2 is 2 over 5 is equals to x over 100. So first thing to do is I need to put 1 in here and then apply cross multiplication. So this will be 0.5 x is equal to 3 because 1 times 3 is 3, and then divide 0.5 both sides. This will be cross out, so x will be 3 divided by 0.5. So my dividend is 3, then divisor is 0.5. So need to move to the right and then add 1 0. So this is now 5. This is 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and then multiply. So that will be 0, and then the answer is 6. Now, how about number 2? Number 2 is a fraction. So, need to cross multiply. So, this will be 5x is equal to, cross multiply also, 200 because 2 times 100 is 200, and then divide by 5. Okay, cross out, so x, this will be 5, 1, this will be 5, 4. So I've got 40. X is equals to 40. Now, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3. 3 over 4 is equal to x over 100. Okay, cross multiplication. This will be 4x. Then this will be 300. Divide 4 both sides. So x equals, okay, 300 divided by 4. Use this one. So estimate how many 4 do I have in 30? 7, 28. Borrow from here. This will be 2, and then this 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then bring down 0. So how many 4 do I have in 20? That is 5. Then multiply 20. So I've got 75 for number 3. Now next, number 4, the last one. The last one, number 4. 11 over 25 is equal to x over 100. This will be cross multiply. 25x is equals to 11 times 100. Then divide both sides by 100. Cross out x. So how many 25 in 100? There are 4. And then multiply. So 11 times 4 is 44. So that's all for this topic.